inner join or equi join. Then outer. What outer joins we're having?
Left
Left
outer, right.
outer,
Left
right
outer
outer,
join,
and
right
full
outer
out
join.
and full outer join. Same thing. Then we discussed what? We discussed self join and cross
Cross
join.
join.
Okay, we'll see the syntax today. Okay. Tell me now, if you want to perform joins, how many tables required? Two tables,
Two
minimum
tables.
two tables. So select star from table 1, T1. So inner join table to T2. Tell me here table 1 and what is T1 and T2 important?
Alias.
What alias? There are two types of alias. What alias?
Table name alias.
Now see, this is what? This is what?
Column
Column
alias.
Column alias. So next to column, it's a column alias. Next to table, it's a table alias. So when two tables are there, when two tables are there, what required? Joining condition on T1 dot C1 equals to T2 dot C2. So one more important thing. See, so table 1, T1, table 2, T2. So on T1 dot C1 equals to T2 dot C2. Here column 1 is the column alias, T1 is the table alias, and this 2 is the joining condition. Okay. Now we are going for inner join. Inner join nothing but what? Tell me, what's the main table? Which are main tables in inner join?
P1 is a main table.
No, in
Both
inner
are
join. Both are main tables, no? So see
Both are.
table 1. So both are main tables. So inner join, nothing but what? Matched records. Okay, see matched records. Okay. So this is so far good. Same thing, control C and control V. Okay. Now tell me now, I want to perform left join or left outer join. Tell me, which is the main table. If I go for left join, this is the main table.
P1 is a.
So T1 is the left side table. This is the left side table. This is the right side table. Now, which is the main table? Left side table is the main table. We can write left to join or left outer join. Both are same. Okay, see? So left to join, left outer join, both are same. This is so forward. Now, same thing. You want to perform right to join or right outer join. Tell me the syntax. Fine one. What is syntax? Instead of left, what I should put? Put right to join or right outer join. Tell me which is the main table, table 1 or table 2?
2.
Which one? Which one is the main table?
Table 2.
Table 2 is the main table. Okay, see, that is nothing but right side table. When I go for right join, right side table is the main table. When I go for full join, now tell me full join or full outer join. So full, okay, see, full join or full outer join. Now, which is the main table? Which are the main tables?
Both.
Both the table.
Both are the main tables. Okay, in inner join and full outer join, both are main tables. For left join, what happened? Tell me left join. Okay, see left join, nothing but what? So left side table is the main table. This is the same thing with the detail. Okay. So same thing now. Tell me what is cross join? Anyone? Cross or Cartesian product? Anyone tell me? Anyone? Which one is that? Tell me. So see, so no joining condition. When there is no joining condition, it is nothing but what? It's a what? It's a cross join. We see the same thing in detail. Okay, so we'll see with the detail. Now, same thing, 1 second. Let me help you. Now, tell me table. So, table 1, table 1. Okay. Now, here what happened? These tables are two tables are different tables. Tell me. Tell me. So, here these
Different
two
table.
tables are different table. But here in this one, tell me. Same table or different table? Same table.
Same.
See, same table we are trying to join to itself. This is called as what? Self join. So see, same. So this is the same table. Okay, see. So see, same table we are trying to join to itself. This is called as what? This is called as self join. Got the point a little bit? Yes or no? Getting it? So this is the functional. So we are trying to join the same table to itself. This is called as self-join. The same thing, we'll try to put the data and we can able to go for the function. Mute yourself. 1 second. Okay, now we'll try to create some data. Okay.
Praveen, full join will not come, right? In line number 43.
Line number
43, full join will not come.
anything, like it can be any join. So see here, the same table we are trying to join to. It can be any type of join. So there is no self keyword. It is the join. Okay, see the same table we are trying to join it. So this is called as self join.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the function. 1 second, give me. 1 second, please. One second. So this is so far good. Let me create some table. So create table, suppose like table 1. Okay, see ID number. Okay, so insert. Tell me Snowflake support multi-insert. Yes or no?
Yes,
So it
yes,
supports
yes.
multi-insert.
Yes.
So 1. Okay, so 2, 3, and 4 records. Okay, so this is so far good. Okay, let me copy the same thing. Now what we should go for? What is the UI? What is the UI? What's the UI?
Snowflake.
Snowflake UI. Okay, so Snowflake UI. Okay, open SQL worksheet. So select the database. Okay, select the scheme. Okay, tell me by using query, I want to find what's my database name and schema name. That is what? Select current database, current schema. Okay, see, let me put the same table. Okay, now I forgot my table name. How to get list of tables?
Show tables.
Show tables. I want to get only this table. What I should go for? Like
Okay.
so
Like
T percentage 1 pattern matching. Okay. Now how to fetch the data by using which concept? By using DRL, data retrieval or data query language. Okay. Now here what's the functional? Now tell me. Now I want to get only first 3 records. How to get first 3 records?
limit 3.
Okay, see limit 3. Any other way apart from limit?
Top 3.
Top 3. I don't want 4th record. We can go for top 3. Any other thing?
4 less than 4.
Less than 4. Okay, see those ones so makes of example, please. Okay, so select stars from same thing. So where ID less than or equal to 3. Okay, or between or in we can go for the functionality. Okay, so far good. Okay, this is fine. Okay. Now same thing. Now what happened? So between we can go for in or you can. Now tell me now I want to take a backup. How to take a backup?
Sit as.
See task.
I think see. So Sharath or Indra, somebody. So make use of your concept. Okay. Now see what happened. I should go for CTAS concept. But requirement is that what I want to get 1, I want to get 2, I want to get 3, and I want to get 5. So see in my table, there are how many records? 4 records. But requirement is that what I want to get a table backup such a way that I want to get all these 5 records. How to get?
Only required
No, see, if I go for, we'll get 1, 2, 3, but I want to get 5th record also. How to get 5th record? Anyone simple SQL concept, tell me. Select 5. Tell me this is one select statement. How to club 2 select statement based on what concept?
Set operator.
Which set operator
Union.
should go for? Which is preferable?
Union.
Union.
Sharath makes us please. Okay. So which one is preferable? Union or union all?
Union.
Union all.
Not union. Union all. Union is performance wise. Tell me which one is the performance wise good?
Union all.
Union all. No, union all is performance wise. Okay. Now how to take a backup by using what concept? By using CTAS concept. So
CTAS.
create table. So table. So table 2. Okay. Now I want good proper heading. How to put proper heading?
Alias.
Here I should put first or second.
First select statement.
First.
First select statement. We can go for the, okay, so first is next statement. Okay. So concept we need to use whatever we discuss, we need to make it ID1. Okay, C task concept. Okay, C task concept. So table has been created. So table 2 has been created. Select the star from, okay, so table 1. So table 1. Let's see how many records are there. Okay, we'll see the joins. Okay, see, I'm trying to prepare data. Okay, so same thing, Control C, Control V. 1, 2, 3, 5 records are there. Now we need to go for what? I want to fetch the data from multiple tables. We should go for what concept? Go for what concept?
Joins.
Joins concept. So when you want to fetch the data from multiple tables, go for joins concept. Okay. So what is T1 here? T1.
Table name.
So not table name. Table alias.
Table alias.
Table alias of table 1 table. Inner join table 2. Okay. See table 2 T2. Now what happened when two tables are there? What require? Tell me.
Common column between the two tables.
Okay, see, when you want to perform joins, we require joining column should be there. Okay, see, now see the data 1 second. Question is that what, tell me, does two columns should have joining column name should be same or it can be different? Anyone, any
Same.
guess? No. So see,
No, sir.
so not same. So no need. Okay, see, name of the column, it can be different. No need for same. Got a point. I said, so see, so it can be different. Okay, it can be same or different, but not mandated to be same. Okay. Now, what is the joining condition on T1 dot ID equals to T2 dot ID1. Okay. Tell me, this is what join? What join?
Inner join.
Inner join. What is inner join? We discussed common records from both the tables.
Both.
Tell me, what is common records?
One,
Common 1,
two,
1, 2, 2, 3, 3.
3, 3.
So see, you know, line number 24, 25. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So these are important. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now, which are the main tables? Which are main? Both are main tables. Copy the same thing. Let me go for left join or left outer join. Tell me which is the main table?
Left
left.
table.
What is
ID.
it? What? Which one? Tell me which is the main table? Table or table 2?
Table
Table
1.
1.
Table is the main table. What is syntax we discussed? Tell me. What is left join definition?
Common plus extra from left.
Now, what is the definition?
Match-
Left join. Okay,
Matching
all the records from left side table and the match record from right side table. So see, all records nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. What will get here if records are not matching?
4, number 4.
4 and null will get. Okay, see. So what is you need to understand what? All the records from left side table, match record from right side table. If records are not matched, will get null value. But getting a little bit. So this is the functionality. Okay. Same thing. Suppose if I go for right to join, tell me which is the main table in the right join.
ID1.
So that is table 2. So see, 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, null 5 will get. Got the point? So this is the functionality. All the record from right side table, match record from which side table? Left side table. If records are not matching, you get null value. Same thing if I go for full join, tell me. Full join, which is the main table? Which are main tables?
Both tables.
Table.
Tell me.
Both tables.
So both tables are main tables. Okay, see, both tables are main tables. Okay, see, so this is the functionality. Now tell me what is the output? What is the output we'll get? So what we discussed, tell me logic. Inner join plus
join plus
remain
X.
record from left, extra record from left and right. So that is null 5 and 4 null will get. Okay, so this is the functionality. So copy the same thing. Now this is what join? Tell me, anyone? Tell me.
Partition join.
It's not join.
Partition.
See, now
Partition.
there is no joining condition. When there is no joining condition, nothing but what?
Cross join or Cartesian.
Cross
It's a cross join or Cartesian product. Okay, got the point. See, simple thing. Now, what did you tell me? What's now 4 records are there? What's the output will get?
16.
4 the 16 records. Okay, see one more time. So see, you need to understand what when there is no joining condition, nothing but it's a what type of join? It's a
Cartesian join.
Cartesian product or cross join. Tell me what is the definition we discussed? Inner join, nothing but common records. Okay. So what is left join the logic? Tell me logic we discussed what? What is left join the logic?
All
Inner
records
join.
from the table.
Inner join plus
Inner join plus remaining records from which table? Left table. Okay, this is very important. We'll see one or two things. Okay, same thing. Let me go here. Okay, so Control D. Okay, right to join. Inner join plus remaining records from which table? From the right table. Okay. So right table. So what is next one? What is full join?
Inner join plus remaining records from left and
left
right.
and right table. Okay. So what about cross join? Simply
Multiplication of two
T1
tables.
into two
T1
tables.
into
Okay.
T2.
So we'll see one use case and we can able to go to the topic. Okay, this is very important. Okay. Let me go to the SQL concepts. The joins. Tell me, this is simple thing. Tell me. Tell me. Anyone? Simple
10.
thing. So this 10, not 10.
Sorry.
15.
So remember this type of question, don't give random answer. So you should give correct answer. Tell me what is?
30 set of for inner
Uh,
join.
how many?
30 set.
30. 30. How?
30 set.
15.
15. Multiplication.
See, same records are there.
3 5 is a 15. No?
to 5 yeah,
3
15.
5. 3 5 is a 15 for inner join. For what about left join,
For
right join,
all,
full
for
join?
all it
For
will
all it's
For all
15.
joins, it is
For all it is.
All 15.
For all it is 15. 15. Okay, see, not okay. See, simple thing, no? So don't get confused. Okay. See the same thing. Okay. So see, don't get confused. Okay. Yesterday we discussed the logic. One more time we'll see and we'll try to close this topic. So remember compulsory if you attend for okay L1, L2 or any type of no, if you have 10 years, 15 years, compulsory this type of question they'll write. Tell me left side table, right side table. Tell me now what is the thing? Tell me how many cards are there? How many ones are there?
2 ones.
2 ones are there. Okay. How many ones are there?
1.
So 2 into 1?
2.
2. Okay. Same thing. How many 2s are there?
2 in 1 into
1.
2.
One.
Okay. See. So put okay. So while running, put 1. So see. 1 into
2. 1 into 2. 1 into
1 into 2.
2.
2 records. 2 records are there. 1 second. See, 1 into 2, 2 records. Okay, totally how many records? 2 plus 2, 4 records. So for inner join, 4 records are there. Okay. Inner join, 4 records. What is left join? Tell me.
Inner
Left
join
join.
plus all matching records from left table.
Inner join, all matching. Not all matching.
No,
Inner
inner
join
join.
Remaining record.
remaining records. Remaining records from left side table. How many records are there? So two records are, okay, so two records. What is right join? Inner join plus remaining records from left side table, right side table. How many records are there? Two records.
Two.
Okay. Tell me full join. Full join. 4 plus
4 plus 2
join
plus 4.
plus
8.
4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay. What about cross join?
5 5s are
5
25.
5s are 25. Okay.
25.
Only remember, only inner join should be calculated correctly. Remaining are plus plus kind of thing. So you got the point. Always make sure like you are calculating inner join correctly. Remaining are plus plus kind of thing. So 5 5s are 25 records. And one more thing, tell me. Okay, null equal to null?
No.
No. So because no, in inner joins, nulls won't come. In remaining things, nulls will be populated. That's what the functionality. Got the point. So always remember, okay, see. So this is the concept. Okay, getting a little bit. Yes or no? Okay, this is the functionality. Getting the point a little bit. Okay, this is the concept of inner join, left and right join. So this is so far good. Okay. Now same thing. Now come to the use cases. You see the use cases. Let me take the screenshot. Now tell me, so this is employee table and this is department table. Tell me two tables are there. Compulsory what cons will come into picture? Tell me.
Joins.
Joins.
Tell me.
Join.
Okay, see now two tables. See, they want to get the data from employee ID, employee name, department name. So when you want to get the data from multiple tables, we should go for what concept?
Joining. Join.
So joins concept will come into here. So first thing now what happened? Next question is that what's the joining column?
Department.
Department ID.
Tell me.
Common column
Department
between the two.
Tell me. Common call, that is department ID, the joining column. Okay, so far good. Okay, so this is so far good. Now next one is that now by seeing this data, which table is important?
Employee table.
Left.
Tell me. Now see the data, which is the main table, employee table or department table?
Employee.
Employee table.
I
Tell
think
me.
both the tables, Praveen.
Both the tables are important.
No, data. See the data. You should see the data completely.
Employee ID, employee name, and we get department name.
Employee name table is main
Tell me.
table.
How you are saying?
It's total information is there.
You
I
see
think
now,
department table,
No, no.
Praveen, because it has the primary key. Employee has the foreign
No,
key details. I think.
seeing the data. So don't go about primary key foreign key. Okay, see the data wise.
Yeah, more data from.
No, see, engineering, marketing. Where is finance? No, this is not
300
a main.
department
So this is
ID.
not
not
a.
miss-
So see, you need to see data. See, engineering, marketing. So finance is not there, no. So see, that
Okay.
is nothing but this is not a main table. So when you see what happened?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, see. So Praveen, Kumar, Ramesh. See the data. Got the point, huh?
This.
Okay, see now seeing the data, you should be in a position. You need to say. So one more time, tell me why it's not a department, it's not a main table. Tell me.
So as discussed, we didn't see one of the
Because
data
we
in
don't have
department.
all records from
You
department.
see now, finance is not there, no. So finance is not there, no. So finance is nothing, but when finance is there, we can say this is the main table. Okay, that's what the functionality. Okay, so this is the concept. So when we see the data, I got somebody having question.
Praveen, me, Praveen.
Yes.
So when we discussing about the join conditions, we concluded the common columns, it doesn't matter. In that case, so we can consider as a common data or it's a common data type, we can go with the validation of
No,
join
then see, now
condition.
see this, see 100, 200, 100. See
So in
100
this
is marketing.
case, okay. So this is a common data we can consider or
No,
a
generally we need
data
to
type.
check that.
Oh,
So this department ID is the common. See 100, 200, 100. Nothing but this is the main table you can say.
okay. So the join condition is based on the common data type between them. Am I right, Praveen?
So the common data type should be same. Compulsory data
Yeah,
type should be
yes.
same. Okay, without data, suppose if this number and varchar, it can't able to perform the join.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, this is the C now. So you need to understand. So I'm checking this this thing but by seeing the data, see this is the data. So Praveen, Kumar, Ramesh. Okay, this is the main thing. That was the function. Okay, getting it? So this is the concept. Okay, so this is the concept of the same. Okay, one more time. Now see data. So Praveen, Kumar, Ramesh. Okay, we are getting all the record from left side table. Now this is the main table. Now seeing this data, now which type of join will work? Inner, left, right, full or cross, or in which type of join? First thing you need to check joining condition. Okay. Now next thing, which is the main table? Okay. Next thing, what type of join I should go for? Tell me.
Inner join.
Now which inner join?
Hmm.
How
Left
Uh,
out.
join? So you can go for C 100, 100, 200. Common records. Which type of join?
Inner join.
Inner join. Tell me left join work or not?
Yes, it's work.
So left also will work. Okay, we'll see the same thing in detail later point because we are getting all the record from this table is nothing but still we can go for left join also will work as is. Okay. So let me prepare some data. Better cell. So create a table. Okay. So see. So table EMPT. Okay. What is the column? Employee ID. Employee. Department ID number. Okay. So bracket open, bracket close. So insert into the employee table values. Okay. So prepare data. Okay. So one Praveen. So two Kumar 200. So when not doing any task now, you need to prepare data. Sometime it will take some time, but what happened? So prepare the data and do the task. Okay, don't do the task. Somebody doing task on the fly and giving. Okay, so you should do the task. So make sure like you are doing getting the correct output and we need to get. Tell me what is unit testing? Anyone? What is unit testing? Anyone? What is unit testing?
Finding duplicates.
So once we develop anything, now we should make sure like our data is getting properly. That is nothing but unit testing. Okay. So department ID, department name. So one more time, attending and going, there will be no daily I'm saying. So you need to put efforts. Okay. So 100 engineering. Okay. In real time, this much simple won't be there. There will be multiple tables, multiple things will be there. We are discussing simple concept only so that it will be understandable. But real time, there will be complicated logic we should develop. Okay. So controlling. So 200 is market. So 300 is finance. So where I should create everything, tell me in the production database. For development, where you should do in the which environment? Development environment. Okay, see. So always check if we are working the production database or not. Okay, so because so sometimes we'll have the access to production also, but we should make sure like okay, we need to work properly. Okay. So now how to see the databasing? What concept basing? Select the star from table name. Okay, EMPTT. Okay, E join department A. Tell me this is by default what type of join? What type of join? It's a what?
Cross join.
Cross join. Cross join. 3 3s are 9 records will be there. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me why I'm getting one Praveen. Okay, like this. Tell me why I'm getting employee table first. Why?
That is main table, and you have given left side. Right?
Not main table. Come again. Why this data is coming first?
It is there in left side. I mean,
So this no,
after
first we are
the
mentioning employee table. Okay. So if I copy the same thing, okay, see if I put like this, tell me now what happened. Now which is the main table?
Department.
Now first we get department, we'll get the main. So see what? So department and the employee, whatever you put first, no, that's the main table. That for the function. Got a point, right? Getting it? So far good. Employee table, department table, D. Okay. Now tell me when two tables are there, what counts will come into picture?
Joins.
So joins. Now what is the joining column?
Common column and
Department ID.
Okay, see. Okay, tell me what is the common column?
department.
This is a column, common column.
Department ID.
Department ID.
Department ID. So E dot department ID equals to D dot department ID. Okay. Tell me. Tell me. Now tell me. What this is what type of join?
Inner.
Tell me.
Equijoin, Praveen.
Equijoin. Okay, see, equijoin. Got a point. So see, this is the functionality. So employee table. Okay, see, tell me which are main tables here.
EMPTTT.
Okay, see EMPTT E. Okay, see DAPT D. So now which is the main table seeing this data? Don't get confused. Tell me. Which is the main table? Both are main tables. No. So see, so remember one thing, if I put join nothing but it's a by default what? So by default say inner join, inner or equijoin. Now when you see equijoin, which are the main tables?
Both tables.
So both tables are main tables. So that's what the functionality. Okay, see. Now see what happened. Now what they want, what the columns they want? Employee ID, employee name, department name. Okay, see. Okay. So employee name. Okay, so next column is that we'll see detail. Okay, so don't worry, we'll see one more time. So department name, so see employee ID. Okay, see. So this is the functionality. Okay, got it. This is so far good. Suppose if I want to perform sorting, how to perform sorting?
Order by.
Order by. Suppose I want to get Mr. Praveen, how to get?
Concatenate.
By using concatenate. Same thing, I want to get capital, remaining I want to get small case, how to get?
Init cap.
Init cap concept. So got the point of this the functionality. So far good. Okay, so like this way. Now this is straightforward. We'll see left join later point of time. Now same thing. Now come to second task. Now what happened? Now see now. So three tables are okay. These tables are there. Now what happened? Tell me. They want now seeing this data, which is the main table. This is the main table.
Employee.
Tell me.
Employee table.
You tell me
Employee table, Praveen.
how?
Oh,
Tell
okay,
me.
one second.
No, just think slowly. By seeing the
No,
data, you should.
we have the
Ah,
common data. Okay, then both the tables has to be Praveen, Kumar, Ramesh. We can see both. We have data.
no,
Some
this no, see, no,
Both the
see,
tables.
not both tables. Tell me.
Department.
Department.
See, simple things. See what happened. So see, now we are getting these are nulls. Nothing but we should go for what? We should go for outer join. Okay, outer join. See, so
right.
engineering, marketing, and finance. Now I am getting all the records from, okay, which table? Department table. Now, which is the main table? Tell me. So this is the main table. Got it. These are what? These are nulls. Nulls. Got a point down. You see, we are getting extra record, nothing but say null. That's what the function. Got a point down. So see, remember, we have data in this. By seeing the data, you should be in a position which table is the main table. Left table or right table or which table? See one more time, if not able to understand. So see, now we are discussing this table. Okay. Now what we want all the records from this table. See, engineering, marketing, finance. Nothing but with the main table, this table. When I go for this one, see, Praveen is there, Kumar is there, Ramesh is there. But extra record also nothing but what? So this is not a main table. So department is the main table. Got the point? Bit. Yes, I hope this is clear, I guess. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now, which is the main table here? Department table is the main table. Now, we should go for what concept? Outer join, inner join. Now, tell me now, outer join. Now, I want to get department table is the main table. Now, this is right side table or left side table? Right side table. Now, what join we should go for, right or left?
Right outer join.
Right join or right outer join. See, right side table is the main table. What is right join discussed? All the records from right side table, match records from the left side table. If records are not matching, we'll get what? We'll get for these two records, what we'll get?
Null
What
value.
we'll get. So same
Null.
thing, extra will get finance, null will get. That's what the functionality got it. See, this is the functionality. Suppose if I shuffle the same thing, okay, now I am trying to shuffle the data. So Control X, Control V. So Control X, Control V. Now tell me which is the main table.
DEPT.
DEP. No. See the data. See the joining.
EMP table.
Employee.
EMP
So
table.
right side table. That is employee table. Now if I want to get this type of table, what I should do?
Left
Left
join.
Left join.
We should write the left shuffle the same thing. See, like left join. Now which is the main table? Department
Left
table is the
department.
department table is the main table. So far good. Now same thing. Now what happened? So instead of null, what they want? They want NA. How to handle null values? Tell me.
NVL function.
Null
NVL.
handling. What NVL function we are having regularly? We'll use NVL. We'll use mostly
NVL.
coils. Will use
Full
coils.
access also. Okay.
Coils. Okay. Coils have how many arguments?
Sorry.
N number of arguments.
N number of
N
arguments.
number of arguments. So N number. So don't forget, these are the basic thing. How to put proper heading?
Alias.
Alias. What alias? Two alias. Which alias? Column alias should be. So far good. Next thing is that what this is so far good. Okay. So this is so far good. Now instead of null, I want to put 0. How to put 0? Same thing. What concept? NVL, or you can go for coils. Sum 0. Now what they want? So they want what? They want they want no employee.
No
It
employee.
work? Yes or no? We discussed 2 times. We discussed. Tell me, it work or not? No employee.
It's 0. It will come.
No employee work or not? Tell me.
No, it won't.
Works.
No.
Why?
We have to convert into
You have to convert 2K.
So see, we'll get what type of error?
Error.
So remember, error should be there. Numeric value, no employees, not recognized. Why? Tell me.
Data type
Is
of match.
So because it's a number, it's a string. So see, you need to understand what. So when you're performing null handling or set operators, what's the rule? Same data type, should be there. Here, what data type see here? This is a number, this is a string. Now, how to convert number into string? By using conversion function. What is the conversion function?
Tochar.
Then as colon. Okay. So we need to convert into varchar. Tell me to work or not now? It should work. So same thing. So see, like this only we need to understand step by step. So here what happened? Column alias, null handling, conversion functions. So joins concept. Got the point of this the way we can able to make it work. Same thing, little bit tricky one we'll see. Then you can whatever we discuss in SQL concept, all the concepts will be covered. Okay. So once you see that concept, you can able to understand easily what are the joins concept. Okay. The simple thing what happened. So right now we're discussing 2-3 tables, but real time, how many tables will there will be? Multiple tables will be. Okay.
Praveen sir, one question.
Good.
Where we will apply the sorting and filtering before join or after join?
No, so see what happened. If you see here what happened, if I want to go for anything, you can go for after join, we need to go for filtering concept. And afterward, if you want to go for sorting order, you can able to perform at the last.
Okay, sir.
Like multiple, so there will be multiple 2 tables, 3 tables. At the last, we go for filtering and sorting task. After joining, we need to perform sorting, filtering and sorting task. Now, same thing. Let me take the screenshot. So see, 2 tables are there. When I want to bring data from multiple tables, which console come into picture? So see,
Joins.
roll number, name, mark. So joins. Now next thing is that what joining column?
Roll number.
Roll number is the joining. So same data should be there. Now see next one, which is the main table? Main table.
Left name.
See, you should do the same.
Yes.
The left side
Left
table.
table. Left table is maintained.
How you are saying?
All records are covered.
All the records.
The simple thing now what happens? See, here you need to understand what here duplicates are there. Generally, what happened in the main table, duplicates will not be there. That was the main function. Okay, see, now 101, 101. So 102, 102. Okay, see 103. So see nothing but what? So see all the records from this table, nothing but this is the main table. Okay. Now seeing the data, first thing is that what? So joining condition. This is so far good. Main table so far good. Now which type of join we should go for? Which type of join will work?
Left.
Left and right?
Inner or left?
Inner.
Inner left. What about full?
No, full.
See the
Some
data.
records are missing from right side table.
Where missing? No, where missing? Telling here is missing. It's a simple thing. Now see, remember, so 2 to see what happened when you see this 2 to know. Tell me. Now here, how many records are all the type of join?
15.
15.
Tell me. So for inner join, 15. For left join?
All it is 15.
Tell me.
All the joins it is 15.
For all the joins, simply 3 5 is 15. So same thing now what happened here also 101 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 3 is there. Now when you perform all type of join, what is required? Tell me. Except cross join, for all things it is same one, no? I'm getting so see 101. Okay, 101. Okay, 102, 102. So see now we are getting all records or not?
Yes.
Okay, so now it's a what we can go for either inner join, we can go for left join, right join, full join, except to cross join, we will for all the type of join, we do same number of records. Okay, clear a little bit? Yes or no? So it's the functionality. Okay, see for all the joins, okay, so okay, see we can able to perform. Now see next one is that what now this is the main table. I'm going for inner join. So joining condition also there. This is the main table. Next thing is that what is 186?
Total
Total marks. How to get what total marks based on which function?
Aggregate.
Aggregate function, that is summarize, that is sum function. Now same thing they want to give numbering. How do you give numbering?
Rank.
By using, so don't go for rank, go for first you say
Okay.
analytical function, analytical function. By seeing this data, which type of analytical function were? See the data and tell me. Don't give random answer. See the data. Numbering 1, 2, 3, 4.
Row number.
Only row number,
Rank.
only rank. We'll give
Dense
one
rank.
answer. So see,
Dense rank.
so see, by seeing the data, all are unique records, nothing but what? It can be row number, it can be rank or dense rank. See, so whatever the theory part you prepare, the theory part you need to know implementation. That was the main thing. What to find out. You need to understand what the theory part. What we discussed. Tell me, we discussed what? Summarize the data by using aggregate function. Numbering. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. All are unique. This is no 186. So when all are unique, nothing but what? We can go for any type of analytical function. We can go for row number, we can go for rank, we can go for a dense rank. Got the point? Yes or no? This is the functionality. So row number, rank, dense rank, any of things it will work fit here. Okay. Now let me go for data set. When you're preparing, what we should do? You should do on the fly. Yeah?
You should prepare.
Prepare what? Prepare a data set. Okay. So without data set, don't do things. Okay. Those who do don't. So those who have full expert, they can go for on the fly. But you're in learning say no. Prepare data set and work it. Okay. The concepts are simple. Remember, if you know 2 tables, you can go for 3 tables. If you know 3 tables, 4 tables. So first you should be comfortable with single table. So once you're comfortable, we can play with any type of things. Okay. You need to have proactiveness to learn. That's one thing. Okay. So students table, exam scores table. Okay, students tables, exam. Now tell me when 2 tables are there, which type of what which come picture, what the concept will come in picture? Joins should become. What is S here? What is S here? What is S?
Table
What?
alias.
Table alias. Okay, so table alias. Okay, so exam scores. Okay, what is E? It's also table alias of E. Tell me this is by default what type of join?
Inner join.
Not
Sorry,
Cross.
You see, when there's no join, it's a cross join or Cartesian product. How many 4 8s are? 32 we get. See, 32 records came up. 32 records. Okay, see. So don't do this type of join because when you have huge volumes of node, don't go for cross join. Okay. Now what joining column on? S dot roll number equals to E dot roll number. Tell me name of the column should be same or it can be different. Name of the column, it can be
Can be
different, but
different.
data type should be same. Data type should be same. This was the functionality. Okay, so far good. Now you see some errors are there. Now what they want name. Okay, see name. This is fine. But what happened when I put roll number? See what happened? It is throwing some error. What is the error? Anybody can able to tell? Important error.
You have to mention that column alias name.
Okay, if I don't put now, what's the error name? Error name. Error name we should put. Okay, those are working on data. So you get ambiguous error. Okay, see ambiguity. So see when this is important. So ambiguity. So when I work on roll number, it is working fine. But when I put roll number, what happened? Tell me. It is ambiguous column name roll number. Got a pointer. So see ambiguous column name. Why are you getting ambiguous? Tell me.
It's asking which roll number we need to pick.
So see, roll number is there.
Roll
Number is there in students table as well as exam score table. So this guy is getting confused whether I should pick from students table or exam score table. One more time. So when I put name, tell me name is there in single table, that is students table. When I go for roll number, what it is getting ambiguous, nothing but it's a confusion. Why is getting confusion? Tell me. Because why is getting confused? Because so this roll number is there in students table as well as exam score table. So this guy is getting confused whether I should pick from this table or this table. Now how to rectify this issue? Tell me. How to rectify?
You
Put
have to
alias
put
name.
the
Put
alias.
alias. Okay, now which is the main
You
table?
should say, you should,
Put the
yes, dot.
table alias. Okay, which is the main table? That table. So that's the main part pointer like this way. So by seeing this error message, you should say this is the functionality it work. Tell me in comma it work or not in Snowflake?
Yes.
Yes, it's working.
This is
Yes.
called as what? Trailing comma. Trailing comma. It is working. Okay, so far good. Next thing is that what they want? They want to perform addition. How to perform addition? By using what?
Sum.
Aggregate function.
Aggregate function. Sum of. Okay, see start marks. Huh? Tell me why it's showing error. Anyone?
That column is not present in
So column is not present in
students
students
table.
table. Where it's present?
It is present in exam score.
E.
Come again.
Exam
Present
score.
exam
Second
score.
one.
E dot marks. Tell me now it work or not? Again throw error. What is the error?
Group by you didn't mention.
The see non-aggregate column we should put in the what? Put in the
Group by.
group by.
Group by
See
you didn't mention.
almost like okay, so 4-5 errors are there. Okay, so step by step. See now what's the rule? Non-aggregate column compulsory put in the group by class. So what is syntax? Group by.
Group by that column.
Group by remaining non-aggregate column we need to put. Okay, tell me it work. So it should work. Same thing now. Tell me in Snowflake what's the concept?
Group by all
by
also.
all.
Instead of group by all. Okay, so instead of mentioning this thing, we can go for simply group by all. Is there any way instead of group by all, one more concept is there? We can go for position.
1, 2.
Tell me 1, comma 2. Like this. Okay. So one nothing but first column, second column. Instead of group by all, it go for group. Suppose see, if I put, tell me it work. Work? No.
No.
We should put group by 1, comma
3.
3. Okay, this is the features available in so see in OLTP system these are not available. Okay, see this is the functionality so far good. Now same thing now what happened this is working fine. Roll number. Okay, so I put name at the starting. So see trailing comma. These are the features when into us no when you compare to OLTP system what is SQL concept so trailing comma group by all. So these are the features you should say. Not tell me it's not working 1, comma 2. So this is fine. Now how to put proper heading?
Column alias.
Column alias.
Tell me by using what concept by using
Column
column alias. Okay, see. So column alias. Suppose if I want to get small case, same case,
Double quotes.
we should put double quotes, double quotes. See, remember whatever two ways discussed, the concept we're using single thing. Okay. So far good. Next thing is they want to go for what? They want to go for numbering. Numbering, how can you go by which concept?
Analytical function.
Analytical function. So see, we should go for what? Go for any type of thing. So row number, always follow the coding alignment. Okay, see. So make sure a proper coding alignment should be there. Row number over, then what I should go forward? Order by
Order by marks.
marks.
Yeah, based on marks.
Marks it will be what? 96, 99 like this work.
Sum of marks.
Not order by marks descending. So it will throw error. What we should go for? What go for? Which order by
Order
mark
by.
descending. Okay, see this work. Tell me why? Because we should go for what? Not initial. We should go for what? Initial marks we should go for
Summation.
some marks. No, not initial. You should go for some. Because total marks you should go for order by. Got the pointer? So this is so far good. See now how to put proper heading?
Column aliases.
Using what concept? Using
Column aliases.
column alias. What the column alias go for? Go for total
Rank.
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 So rank. So this is so far. So this is so far good. Okay, now same thing what happened. Let me come to the topic. This is working fine. Now we'll try to add one important thing, then you can able to understand. Now see the same thing. Let me try to add one more record. Now see, this is fine. Now we are trying to add extra record. Now tell me if you see this data, but listen carefully. Now, okay, tell me when I go for inner join, 105 record will come or not?
No.
Why?
No, because it is not there in the second table.
So because now inner join only match records, 105 records. Now what should go for what? Go for what? Go for
Left
outer
join.
join. Which outer? It's the main table. So it's the outer join. Now then we go for left outer. So it's the main table. So students table is the main table. See what happened. So in my table right now contains what? Right now contains students. See what happened. So students table is also that is 105 record also there. But when you see the data, what happened? I'm not getting. So Praveen Kumar. Why? Because it's a inner join. Now we should go for what concept? Go for what? Go for outer join. So see now what happened? Left join or left outer join. Now this is the main table. Tell me seeing the data.
Students.
Students is the main table. Now tell me we'll get what? We'll get 105. Praveen Kumar. What will get 2 records?
None.
Null, because null. Okay, what about this one? We'll get null. See, this is important. Listen. Now see what happened. Okay, see, this is the functionality. Now tell me now without writing any exam. Okay, now tell me this is what, ascending or descending?
Ascending.
So without writing any exam, Praveen Kumar got first rank, correct?
No.
No, this is not correct. Okay. So because what happened? So see now here tell me instead of null, I want to put 0. How to put 0?
Using it.
Null handling function. So see null handling, NBL or coils. Okay, see so forward. Now see this is what happened. Tell me without writing okay any exam, Praveen Kumar got first rank, correct? This is not correct. Now tell me why I'm getting nulls first. Anyone guess what the reason? What the reason? Nova? If you're following my YouTube channel, I created just one video. Just tell me, anyone? So here what happened? Let me prepare some data set. Important lesson. See, I'm trying to create, see, almost like 10 topics will be covered on single thing. So create table. So T7 ID number. I am trying to create one table. Let me insert into T7 values. So 4, so 1. Okay, so 2 and null, comma 3. Now see, I'm trying to put some data set. Now try to perform sorting. How to perform sorting? Tell me. Anyone?
Order by.
Order by what? Order by ID. So by default, what type of sorting?
Ascending.
Ascending. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Yes. So by default, so order by. Tell me if you see the data, what are the records we're having? What are the records we're having? 1 second. Tell me if you see the data, how many records are there? So see 1, 4, 1, null 3. Now I'm performing order by ID. Tell me now what happened, what will get output, exact output. Tell me, anybody guess? 1, 2, 3, 4 null or null 1, 2, 3, 4? Any idea? Those are asking.
1, 2, 3, 4 null.
1, 2, 3, 4 null.
Why null will be at last?
Null
Is
is highest.
Not highest, is generally what happened. No? So behavior is that what? When you perform ascending sort, nulls will be at the bottom. Same thing, Control C and Control V. Now I'm putting order by descending. Now nulls will be what at when you perform descending, nulls will be at the top. So this is important functionality. When you perform ascending sort, what happen? Nulls will be at the bottom. When you perform descending, what happen? Nulls will be at the top. To overcome this functionality, we're having what? Anyone, any guess? We're having
Nulls first.
Nulls first and nulls last. You guys know, but you did not work with simple things. You see, nulls first and nulls last. See, Now what happened now? I want to get nulls at the bottom. Now how to get nulls at the bottom? We should go for what concept? At the last, simply put
Nulls last.
last. Nulls last. Okay. Suppose if I go for ascending sort, nulls will be where at 20? Tell me.
Nulls. Nulls last.
Tell me.
It will be at the bottom. We have to use nulls first.
So
to
see
get-
when you see what happened. Tell me, put semicolon. See what happened. This is so far. Now we should go for what? Nulls.
First.
First.
Nulls first. Okay, got the pointer. This is the functionality. Okay, so got the pointer. Same thing. Now what happened? Let me go back here. Now got the pointer. See, so by default, ascending sort, nulls at the bottom. So when you perform descending sort, nulls at the top. To overcome this functionality, what happened? Tell me now. See, now we are performing what? Ascending or descending?
Descending.
Descending. Now tell me, nulls will be where? At the top or bottom?
Top.
Top. Okay, see top. Suppose when I see, put the semicolon. See, nulls at the, okay, remove this NVL handling, null handling for understanding perspective. This is the functionality. Okay. Suppose when you perform, okay, see, ascending sort nothing but what? Tell me, nulls will be what? At the top or bottom? Praveen Kumar data will come at what? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
At the
Bottom.
bottom. Okay, got the pointer. So this is the functionality. Okay. The same thing now. What happened now? We need to perform descending sort. Okay, see descending. Okay. So DSC, nothing but what? Nulls will be at the top. Now what? Now I want to get nulls at the bottom. How to do? Simply put,
Nulls last.
nulls last. Now simple concept. Got the pointer? Nulls last. So how to handle null values here? You can go for coils or NVL. Okay. Try practice coils. It will use regularly. Suppose if I want to go for, suppose see, I want to go for absent. You are the, now tell me. Okay, got the pointer. So see what happens. See all, suppose see, now see the data. Now I want to put tell me is data good looking. Huh? I want to some column modification. We should go for what concept? Go for init cap. Init cap. Okay, see, now see what happened almost, see. So see what we discussed, see, we discussed aggregate function, string function, column alias, null handling, aggregate function, conversion functions, null handling again. So, okay, sorting concept, nulls first, nulls last, joins concept. See, almost we have done the same thing. Tell me by seeing the data, okay, can you go for right join worker? Yes or no?
No.
Try to close 2 minutes, tell me. Work?
No, it will not work.
So it will not work. I'll try to make it work. Tell me it work. It won't work. Anybody tell me? Should work? Tell me I'm doing something.
It will work.
What I should do?
Will-
I'm trying shuffling. Tell me it work. Yes or no? Tell me. Right join work. Tell me it's work or not. Now is the main table?
Yeah, it will work.
It work. No, so it will work. Okay. Same thing. See the data. Tell me now. Does by seeing data does full join work or not? Tell me. Yes or no?
Should work.
It should work not because now if see, suppose like see, if in the marks table, if you have extra record 106, full join won't work because now full join work as is. Got the point? Getting a little bit. Okay, now full join. When I go for full join, what happened? It should work without any issues. This is the concept of see, almost like we discussed. So many concepts. Okay, got the point? Okay. Time we'll discuss.